Do you have a Siri not working on iPhone, on iPad? Here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. Go ahead to the main settings, and then we're gonna reconfigure Siri. We're gonna go ahead to the Siri option, and then what we're gonna do next, we're gonna just go ahead and change the language to something else, and we're gonna go ahead and redo the talk to Siri, and we're gonna just allow Siri when locked. And basically, once you go to turn off and turn it on again, that should fix your problem. If you turn it off and reopen it, that will help you restart again. And the same goes for Siri responses, voice, call hang up, announce calls, announce notifications, and all that. So now what you're gonna do, in order to fix that, go back to the main settings and then go ahead to accessibility, right? And we're gonna scroll a little bit down to Siri, click Siri, and then basically right here, for the Siri option is turned on. If it's on, turn it off, back on, and just do that for the all Siri settings, and then basically that should fix your problem. If it didn't, what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go back to the main settings, and then you're gonna go ahead to the screen time, right? And then scroll a little bit down right here to the content and privacy restrictions, click on it, and make sure that you select Siri in intelligence, right? And make sure that you enable and disable again. If you still facing that same issue, we're gonna restart your iPhone if nothing else works. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.